Walther WMP chambered in 22 Winchester Magnum. Got 10 rounds in the magazine. We're going to shoot it unsuppressed. Now we'll do it suppressed with the WMP. This is the Silencer Co. switchback rimfire suppressor. 10 rounds. So let's take a quick look at the Walther WMP SD pistol chambered in 22 Winchester Magnum. Comes with 2 of these magazines, 15 rounds with loading tabs made for easy loading and unloading. For the pistol itself, frame is black polymer, nice texturing on the grip, front, sides, back, good undercut at the back of the trigger guard. The trigger guard itself is generously sized, easy to use with gloves. As most pistols have, you have a magazine release here, and it's ambidextrous, it's on both sides. But you also have this unique paddle system that Walther created. I believe it's patented. You press down on that paddle, out comes the magazine. It's also ambi. We have a accessory rail under the barrel for lights and lasers. The slide is made of aluminum, also black. For sights, rear sight has a pretty generous notch, easy to pick up, and it's also serrated. The serrations help kill the glare when it's bright and sunny outside. And then there is a red fiber optic front post. Now, the slide also comes with a optics ready plate. You take the plate off, you use one of the 2 adapters, and you can mount an optic. I mounted my Trijicon SRO on it. It's kind of beat up, as you can see, because I use it a lot. I think I've had it 5 years. Great optic. Barrel 4.9 inches long, and it's threaded for a suppressor. Also has cocking serrations front and rear of the slide. This is pretty much a full-size pistol. Weighs about 28 ounces. Very comfortable in the hand, and it's a great shooter.